You ever have that problem where you go to get ice and it doesn't work? Well, we're gonna take a look to see what's going on. First, we'll see if there's any ice in the ice tray. So you take this little button right here, push it down, just pull this whole thing out. Well, sure enough, there's no ice in there. So that means something's going on with the ice maker. Most likely the ice has gotten stuck inside there and it needs to be thawed and broken loose. So we're gonna take that apart. First thing you wanna do is turn off your ice maker, right there. Then you need to remove this panel. You can kind of get in this hole right here and pop it free. That comes out. Then you're gonna need to disconnect this wire right here. It's kind of a pain, but you just gotta go in here and just get under here. You can kind of split it apart, just like that. So you can remove this whole upper ice maker, but there's a little tab right here that you have to pop free. Okay, once that's popped out, the whole thing comes out. I'm gonna try it with two hands. There you go. Whole thing comes out. You can see right here, the ice is frozen in and it can't spin around to make new ice. So we're gonna leave this out for like 4 hours, let it all melt out. See, the ice inside there will all melt. And then we'll be good to go. We'll put it back in. It's been about 2 hours. Looks like all the ice is out. It's pretty dry. So now we can put it back into the refrigerator. All right, we're ready to put this back in now. And so this is gonna kind of fit along the rail that's on the side right here, in between these two little gaps. So put this in here, make sure it all lines up. And then push it in. There you go. You hear that clicking noise? And then you're gonna wanna connect this back together. All right. And then finally, put this piece back on. It's just a cover that goes over top. There you go. Kind of pushes back in that way. Turn this on, right up here, the on switch. And then slide the tray in. There we go. And then we'll just give it some time, see if we got some ice. All right, it's been about 1 day, so we'll test it out. All right, it works.